did a documentary on Shane Barcaw and his family on Soul Pancake. It's a YouTube channel, and they did a Rain Wilson did a documentary on Shane Barcaw and his muscular dystrophy, and he did kind of like a day in the life story with him. And long story short, Hannah, Shane's now wife, um, found Shane's story on Soul Pancake, and they basically made an instant connection through the internet and like became girlfriend and boyfriend, like did long distance for a long time and stuff. And then Hannah moved to Pencil- Pennsylvania to be with Shane, and Hannah is now living with Shane's um, parents, and they do a lot of traveling, so they go visit her parents, his parents. They go back and forth, but that's how they met each other through Soul Pancake, and just had an instant connection. And I just think their story is like so beautiful. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.